back to my magical world of math. Today we are going to learn how to multiply 2-digit into 2-digit numbers by using Vedic mathematics tricks called Urdhva Tiryabhyam, or it is also called crisscross method. So let us see how to do this. First I am going to write the pattern. So what I am writing here is 1, 2, 3, 4. If you take the first question, 12 multiplied by 31, 4 numbers are there. I have taken 4 numbers as 4 dots. Okay. First, what we have to do, multiply units and units. Means these two we have to multiply. Okay. So 2 into 1 is 2. That is the first step. What to do in the second step? Do the cross multiplication and addition. That means 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into 3 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. That is the second step. Then what is the third step? Multiply tens and tens. These two. 3 into 1 is 3. So 372 is the answer. In one step we are able to write the answer. See for the second one. 24 multiplied by 35. Here what we have done, there was no any carryover, but here with carry how to do that means 4 into, now we know the pattern. First step is 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20, write 0, 2 as carry. Take 2 as carry. And then what is the next step? Cross multiplication and addition. Okay. So 4 into 3 is 12 plus 5 into 2 is 10. 12 plus 10 is 22 plus 2 carry. 24. Write 4 here. Again write 2 as carry. Okay. Now what is the third step? Third step is multiply tens and tens. So 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 2. So that is 8. 840. In one step we are able to write it. Let us see for the third one now. Now easily we can do this. 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 2 here. 1 carry. Now cross multiplication. 3 3s are 9. Plus 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 9. 25 plus 1. 26. Write 6 and write 2 as carry. What is the third step? Multiply the leftmost number, which is tens place. 3 into 4 is 12 plus 1 carry. So that will be, 2 carry. 12 plus 2 is 14. 1462 is the answer. Okay. Next, let us see the fourth one. Here we have a 0 also. If 0 is there, how to do? That also is. First we know units and units. 3 into 0, 0. That is the first step. Second is cross multiplication and addition. Okay. So 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12 plus 6 into 0. 6 into 0, that is 0. 12 means 2 here and 1 carry. Right? Now, here it is 6 into 4. That is only the tens place number. 6 into 4 is 24 plus 1 carry. That is 25. 2520 is the answer. So, in this way, by using Urdhva Tiryabhyam Sutra, the Vedic mathematics tricks, in one step, we can write the answer. Main thing is, we must know this pattern, then it will be easy. How to multiply, which are the numbers we have to multiply first. So, first we have to multiply units and units. Then we should do the cross multiplication and addition. Then we have to multiply the tens place numbers. If you do in this way, you can write the answer in one step. So, that's all for this video. In the next video, how to multiply the numbers 3-digit into 3-digit, 4-digit into 4-digit, means the bigger number how to do by using the same tricks that we'll see in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.